So guys, this is day 5 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business question in SQL. So if you have not seen previous videos, just go on my channel and watch that. And let's learn and practice together, and let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my PG admin here, and this is day 5 of 100 business question series in SQL. And the question for today is identify the customer who purchased from 3 or more different product categories in quarter 1 2024. Okay, so let me show you the data that we have for today's question. So the first table that we have is the customers table. I have inserted some value in this table. And the second table that we have is categories table, then products table, and sales table. So these 4 tables we have. Let me show you these tables one by one to you. Okay, so let's run this query here. So this is our customer table. In this table we have these two columns like customer ID and customer name. And let's open categories table now. And in categories table we have two columns like category ID and category name. And let's open product table. And in products table we have like product ID, product name, and category ID. And let's open sales table. In sales table we have these 5 columns here like sale ID, customer ID, product ID, sale date, and quantity. Okay, so let me show you the question again. We have to identify the customer who purchased from 3 or more different product categories in quarter 1 2024. Okay, so let's start the question now. So take your select. The first column that I'm going to take is the customer ID. So let's take it as cx dot customer ID. The second column we are going to take is customer name. And then we are going to take c dot count of distinct c dot category id from category table. Okay, now take a from. So this we are taking from customers. Is cx. Now join here sales is s on s dot customer id is equal to cx dot customer id. Okay, now again use join here. Now we are going to join products p on the basis of s dot product id is equal to p dot product id. Okay, now we are going to join categories. This one is c on p dot categories id is equal to c dot category id. Okay, so let's give it a name like is category count. Okay, now use where, like we have to show only for the quarter 1 2024. That's why we are taking a sale date between 2024 January 1st and 2024 March 31st. Okay, now we are going to group it by customer ID. Okay, and then customer name, and then we are going to use here having this one, the count of category ID is greater than equal to 3. Okay, so now the query has been completed here. Let me run this query to you. So we have this error here. Yeah, this comma. Let's run it again. It does not exist. P dot product ID product. Now we got the output here. Let me zoom it out. So guys, this is the output for today's video here. Let me explain you this output here. Like we have these three columns like customer ID, customer name and category count. Like these three customers like Anjali, Karan and Pooja are the customer who bought from three or more different categories. Okay, so like Anjali purchased the product from three different categories, Karan from three different categories and Pooja from four different categories. So this is all about the today's question. Let me explain the query that we have written here. Okay, so let's format this query first time. Yeah, like I'm taking these three columns here like customer ID, customer name and unique category count. Okay, then I'm all this I'm taking from customer table, then I'm joining sales table on the basis of customer ID, then I'm joining products table on the basis of product ID, then I'm joining categories table on the basis of category ID. Then I'm taking sale date between 1st of January to 31st of March 2024. This is quarter one for 2024. Then I'm grouping this result on the basis of customer ID and customer name. Then I'm taking a filter here. I want those customers who bought from more than three or equal to three categories. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. We identify the customer who purchased from three or more different product categories in quarter one 2024. So let's wrap up this video here. If you want all this data, you can go through the link given in description. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. If you want to connect me personally, you can DM me on my LinkedIn profile. So let's wrap up this video here now. The question has been completed. So I hope guys this video will really put an impact in your SQL learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.